Painting your ceiling the same color as the walls, game changer or mistake? Dear friends, should your ceiling always be white? Not necessarily. Painting the ceiling the same color as your walls is becoming a popular interior design choice, and it can completely transform a room. Using the same color creates a cohesive, seamless look. It visually blurs the boundary between walls and ceiling, making the room feel more modern and sophisticated. This technique works especially well with soft neutrals, warm whites, beige, greige, and muted colors. In smaller rooms, lighter shades can create a calm and surprisingly spacious feeling. But there's a catch. If you choose a very dark or intense color, the ceiling can feel lower and the room may appear smaller. That can make the space feel heavy rather than elegant. Lighting also matters. Natural light, ceiling fixtures, and wall lighting can dramatically change how the same color looks on different surfaces. Here's another smart trick. Use the same color but different finishes. For example, use an eggshell or matte finish on the walls and a flatter finish on the ceiling. You get the seamless effect without making the surfaces look completely identical. So, is it a game changer or a mistake? It depends on the room, color, lighting, and ceiling height. When done correctly, a same-color ceiling can create one of the most stylish looks in modern interiors. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.